Hi viewers, welcome to KTA Shaheen. Sakura 46 announced on August 28th through their official website that they will postpone the event scheduled to be held in Kyoto on 31st August. Sakura 46 Kyoto event postponed. The official website announced the postponement, saying regarding the real meet and greet and real autograph session to commemorate the release of the ninth single Jitoko scheduled to be held at the Kyoto Plus Plaza venue on Saturday 31st August 2024. We have unfortunately decided to postpone the event after considering the expected impact of Typhoon number 10 on public transportation, the safety of customers attending and the safety of the members and staff.